People often tell me they are bad test takers, and that's what's stopping them from becoming a certified hand therapist. Commit to a few hours and get clear on what you need to do this time, and let's get it done together. Real reason why you might still not be a certified hand therapist is not because you're a bad test taker. It has nothing to do whether you're a good or a bad therapist, but let's get clear on what steps you need to take together. We're going to cover how you can study differently, what small changes or tweaks you can make that will make the biggest difference. 3, come up with a step-by-step plan that can help you get to the next test date with less fear and anxiety. Start here inside my last masterclass this year, and let's get exam ready together. You cannot become a certified hand therapist unless you're willing to try again, and I'm committed to helping you. So click the link and let's get to it together. Let's get exam ready together.